This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Nelly Perez. Welcome home. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located on a quiet, well-maintained street in the heart of Alief. The home features an open floor plan with tons of new double-panel windows allowing plenty of natural light. Every window has light filtering roller shades. Gorgeous tile flooring throughout. No carpet. The primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet. The kitchen is full of beautiful cabinets for storage, a granite countertop, and stainless steel appliances. Offers a spacious decking area around a nice pool with a gazebo perfect for entertaining. Close to shopping, dining, and medical facilities with easy access to Highway 6 and Westpark tollway. For more information, review the details below or contact Nelly Perez at 281-392-9272.